Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Truth Social, the web application on a Mac computer in the year 2026. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Truth Social. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Truth Social, use a shortcut on our bookmarks tab, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's now sign out of the account, log out of Computer Science Videos. Let's now sign into the account. We can use Touch ID on the Mac in order for us to sign back into the account. Once we sign into the account, we are presented with the options on the left for us to navigate from home, discover, alerts, and so on. We will go into this step by step. On screen, we have home. We can post to public or post to a group if we wish to. We have the For You tab. We have a tab that's all of the people that we are following. We have a tab of groups. On the right hand side, we can get Truth Plus, which is 30 plus premium networks, on demand content, and 24/7 streaming. We can choose to select the 7-day free trial before we move on to the paid premium subscription. We have the live section. We have topics. We also have suggested groups. Let's now go to Discover. And this is everything that's happening today. We know today is Father's Day. Let's click on a hashtag and we can see all the information that was posted to the platform via that hashtag. We also have a couple of more hashtags that are trending, which I will be looking into after the video. Let's go to alerts. We have alerts. We also have mentions from anyone, from users that I follow. Let's go to True Search AI, which is artificial intelligence that is taking over every social media platform, which is a great thing that we are enhancing our performance via AI. We can use True Search AI for an in-depth search if we ever needed to go into more details in regards to an image, a fact, news, or help us to increase our general knowledge and use those answers as part of a project that we are currently working on. Let's go to Truth Plus. Get more with Truth Plus. Non-woke movies, live news channels, Christian content, and more, all available on iOS, Android, the web, and connected television. So that's all for another video. We also have messaging that allows us to chat with our followers, individuals that we are interacting with. We also have a section for groups, my groups. We have a group called Computer Science Videos, all topics, media, about, manage the group, the name, description, memberships, administrators, members. We have one pending request, which we will add to the group. That's now been approved and added. Go back one. If we want to ban any members, we can also do that. Let's now save, or we can delete the group if we ever needed to. So that itself has been saved. 17 members in the group. We can share the group, copy link to group, or mute the group if we ever needed to. So we have, as of the 21st of June 2026, we have 17 members in this group. Let's go to feeds. For you, following, groups. Let's click on following. We can unfollow if we need to, or we can follow if we need to. Let's go back one. Groups. So that's all part of the feeds. Let's now go to bookmarks. And here are all the truths that we have bookmarked for later access. Let's now go to profile. And here we have a snapshot of our profile. We have the truths, we have replies, we have media, which is also on the top right corner. We also have likes. And everything that we have liked on the account will sit in this section. Let's now go to truths. Let's now compose a brand new truth. What's in your mind? Let's just say this is a test truth. For the 21st of June 2026. Let's now click on truth. That itself has now been posted, so you can see the last time I had sent a truth was a very, very long time ago. So almost 18 months later, we are now truthing again. Replies, media, likes. Let's now compose a truth again, and this time select a file to upload. Go to pictures. Let's go to the desktop. Change the view type to icons, and we want to select a screenshot, upload the screenshot. Can we edit the screenshot? If we could, that would be great. But what's on my mind? Let's just say this is a test photo. Hashtag ScreenFlow. We can post to public or we can post within the group. Let's now click on the truth. Go back to truths, right click, reload the page. And we have now sent our second truth of the day. Let's now compose a new truth. Select a file, go to downloads where we have a video that we want to click on upload. Let's now say and confirm what's on the mind. This is a video for computer science videos. Let's now click on the truth. And that video should have uploaded to the account. Truth was successfully posted. And there we have it. And we can watch a clip of the video that was posted to the account. Let's now go to settings. And here we have our preferences, show retruths, show replies, autoplay videos. We can also change to dark mode if we ever needed to. Let's go back to light. Hide truths that are marked as sensitive. Show confirmation dialog before deleting a truth. Yes. So your preferences have been saved. We have privacy, discoverability, mutes, conversations, groups, any blocks that we have. Download your information if we ever needed to. If we were to, let's just say, delete the account, but we needed all the information, this would create a humongous file sent to yourselves, maybe through email or any other platform that can hold large files for you to then download to your machine. Go to security, email, password, two-factor authentication method, which is something I would highly recommend to do in order for them to verify that it's actually you behind the screen when it comes to signing into the account. How many active sessions do we have? We can revoke all these if we ever needed to. Let's go to subscriptions. Do we have any subscriptions as of yet? No, we do not, but we can select the Patriot package, which is premium content for non-Vogue news networks, Premier on-demanding streaming, red check verification for your True Social account, a badge, boosted comments, get the first 7 days for free, then it's $10 a month, direct messages, allow users you follow to start a new chat with you. We can turn that off. Profile, display name, location, website, and the bio. Other options, advertisers, delete account if we ever needed to. We can add an existing account or create a new account if we ever needed to, and then use multiple accounts. Switch between double accounts, triple accounts, quadruple accounts if we ever needed to. Messages, bottom right corner, are also available. We can compose a brand new message, search for the individuals we want to have a conversation with. Minimize that. Go back to home. For you. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.